Been working already this morning. I ran and got some lumber while Melanie moves the rest of the products over this morning. And, well, it's still morning, but I'm just taking a break to do a video clip. So, I've got 2x4s for the uprights and 2x3s for the cross bracing. I've got all of our shelving here already. Melanie has been stocking the products and finishing up carrying over while I was traveling. And for now, we have the desk set up. Now, I had to cut off that last 4 feet, that 4-foot section, because we couldn't move it. We couldn't carry it. And so for now, there's the desk. I still have my counter space. And then we have the larger stand there, and then the shorter one next to it. So we do have still the jewelry counter, which is good. And then the consignment shelves I'm working on over here. I've got to get all the products out so people know we're open. We're going to be open while we work here today, and open for business while we work. I've got those shelves put together, starting to get products out, starting to get things going. Got to clean up all those boxes along that wall. That's all products. All of our excess stock we're going to have to find a place for. The light boxes, like the potato chips and stuff, is going to go up on top of the shelving like that. And I'm going to cut these 2x4s uprights to be 7 feet to match this one, so we have space to put excess stock. Now I can reach that, and it's just super lightweight. Melanie could pull it down if she could reach it, but she can't reach that high. So just light stuff is going up. Heavier things I'm going to put down somewhere behind the counter area. I'm not exactly sure yet, but we'll figure it out. Now I've got to build the new shelves. Oh, by the way, we've got to move the desk over. We're just getting things established for now. But the shelves are going to go here, and I'm going to start working on that here in a few minutes. I still have to move the coffee bar. We are open for business if anyone comes in. It's a bit of hectic and chaotic, but I am going to have the business open. We don't have coffee set up yet today, though, but I still have to get that moved. And I hope that we're going to finish everything today. Now, the products may or may not be delivered today. This is Saturday, so I don't know if they deliver on a Saturday or not. I'm going to have to call and find out because we were hoping on Monday to have a day of rest after all of this. Sunday we have church, so it's not really a restful day, but we want to be able to just take a day off. So we're going to push ourselves hard today and try to knock this out and finish it entirely. Now I'm excited for the new products. We're going to have 6 different flavors of drinks now, all from the Philippines, and we got a few more different types of noodles, some more snacks, and well, a lot of different variety we're going to have. So we'll have 2.5 times the amount of products we have total when we're done. So I've got a lot to do. And behind the counter is all kinds of stuff. All kinds of stuff. Oh boy. Yep, got a lot to do today. So we'll get to it. I've got 2 frames freestanding side by side. Now I've gone with the same size as this here, but I started lower so that this top shelf is more reachable, and then I've got a wider spot here for taller things like these noodles, for example, and then up top storage. Now I've got only 2 boards holding this together right now. My tripod, oh, it's in the other room. I couldn't find my tripod, so I haven't been recording. A little bit hectic and chaotic, but all I did was just measure this out to 12 inches each, put the long pieces on, stood it up against that other shelf, and then put 2 pieces in to hold it up. I'm going to go ahead and put the other 2, and I'll let you watch what I do. But it's awkward recording because I do have customers coming and going in the meantime. But I'll get this together, and I'm going to try to slide it down and into position. And then I put this on center here so I can put in the 4-foot section. So that's an 8-foot strip for strength. So those are long pieces of 2x4s, 2x3s at 8 feet. So that's really solid and strong. And then the other section will be a 4-footer, so I'll have two 12-foot shelves when I'm done today. It's going to go together pretty quick now from here on out. By the way, I'm working inside because it's raining out really bad, and I got to get this up. Now, I don't think that my delivery is coming today, probably Monday, and we're closed Monday. So that means we're going to have to be back anyway, unfortunately, I think, because I can't reach the company. Well, that is how it is. Get the bottom one. Oh, it's going to be freestanding in a minute. So, now I'm going to put it in a position. I'll move the camera out of the way. Nice long aisle, more than 4 feet. A little over, around 4 feet, roughly. And a little over 4 feet. So, now this one is going to extend out is even with this one. And then I got about 4 feet gap here. And about 4.5 to 5 feet here. So definitely enough space. Definitely good. So I've got to finish. Well, I'm going to make now the extension. Might as well do that next, and then I can put in all the upright cross bracing on the uprights. These guys. It's self-standing for now. But before I get it too heavy, I want to get the extension on and get it in position. There's the skeleton of it. Oh. So I still got to do the cross pieces on the end. Well, I got a lot to do, but there's plenty of aisle space. The camera doesn't do it justice. 2 people could easily pass through with their hands full of gear and not bump into each other. Extra space by the coffee bar. Plenty of space by the counter. It's gonna be good. Well, a lot left to do, but I'll have it done today. Little update. It's coming along. I threw on some shelves just to get an idea how it's gonna look. So, we got it. I got the boards calculated to the board. That was I'm very pleased with how that worked out. To the board, I've got enough. I might actually have an extra, but that's fine because I need to put the coffee bar in here and put legs on it because that was built into the wall over there. So, right now I'm cutting the supports. That's these little guys in here. And then I got to go back. I did run out of screws, so I'm going to have to get a box of screws, but I've got enough wood for the supports. But I'm going to go ahead and cut them all so I know for sure before I go back to Lowe's. And Melanie says go ahead. and put it in the top shelf, so I'll probably just go ahead and buy the boards for that as well. I have enough shelves, so I'm just probably going to go ahead and close it off. She says do it, so I'll probably do it. So I'm going to need 1, 2, 3 more 2x4s for that anyway, plus cross bracing. So, oh yeah, I got to go back to Lowe's one way or another. But we'll do this today and be done with it. Looking good though. Right, Melanie? What do you think? Do we have a grocery store?
Say yes, Michelle.
Michelle, do we have a grocery store? No! That was a no! Michelle! Look at her face. She teases. She's a tease. She intentionally teases. Hey guys, so I'm cutting all of the supports that I need. Michelle is talking to her mom in the background. I don't know what's going on. I think my blade is dull and I can't find my blades. I know I got them in there somewhere. I checked Aisha. I know I got some, but oh well. I was in a hurry. I know my blade is dull, so I think that's my problem. But I swapped the battery, so that shouldn't be it. Huh. Maybe I got a weak battery. Let me try swapping batteries again. It's funny now that I'm on camera, it's going to give me trouble. Although that is one of my older batteries. Let's see. Hope this does better. That's funny, that battery wasn't that low. It's just an older battery there. I just swapped it. I'm sitting down because my feet and legs are sore from so much running around and hauling junk, so forgive me for not being a proper construction expert here. I get 7 pieces to a 2x4 with very little scrap. So anyway, I just gotta do one more, and then I gotta count what I've got left for 2x4s. I've got 2 left there, but I mean, if I have another one, I'll be able to finish the legs on the coffee bar and finish that today, and then we're done here. Well guys, I ran out of screws again, believe it or not. I am no good at calculating the screws. I should have bought a bucket for this job. I've gone through 2 entire boxes. I just can't calculate the screws. I'm not experienced enough for that. But I did well in the wood. That's working out perfect. Now, over here, we brought over the coffee bar and I reassembled it, but I turned the wall the other way around. I have to finish putting shellac on that. You can see the darker boards on top. But I figured, see, the coffee bar didn't have legs. And I started making legs, and then I realized, wait a minute, people are going to see that exposed side. So that wasn't going to be good either. And I liked the fact that I had the sidewall here to stop the chips from falling. So I ended up reversing that, flipping it around and putting it on. And there's our coffee bar. I like it. Matches everything, and it's right in line with the pallet wood. So that's all good. Well, a little walkthrough. There's the consignment. The groceries. We did not get our delivery, so we got some spaces because we're going to change the way things are put up. I got a little bit of cutting left to do, but I ran out of screws, so that's it for that. I got the shelves here. Looks like I got a bulb going out on me, blinking on me. Got all that. All done. I'm not sure what I want to put there, but I got the coffee bar. That looks good. Starting to put things away underneath. Starting to put things away on top. So, another day is done. I gotta put the doors on Monday. We'll come in Monday and finish this. But it's solid now. It's rock solid. So that's it. Well, guys, wrapping it up. Finish it Monday. Tomorrow is a day of rest, which we all need desperately. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world and the Off-Grid Project in our little grocery store in Gaylord. Our bigger store, actually. This is a decent sized shop. We're filling it up nice. It's looking good. I like how that looks. It's good. Alright, guys. Talk to y'all later. Have a good weekend. Good night.